What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is #1 priority. And today I'm going to do something I did a couple years ago, cooked butane rocket, but we're going to film it in super slow motion. Let's see what it looks like. Got my butane and all I'm going to do is just you know what, too much coke. Gotta pull out some of it. Oh, didn't work. Let's try this again. Woo! Whoa! That was a late reaction. Did you see it? Whoa, it flew so high it landed down here, but it's just a plastic bottle. Pretty awesome. Now let's see how it looks like in slow motion, what actually happens. First we'll film this at 5,000 frames per second, just to see what it looks like. If it's not enough, I can film it a lot faster later. Whoa! That was pretty awesome. Let's do this again. This is so windy, I'll have to wait till the wind goes away a bit because this rocket is just gonna take off sometime. Whoa, what a gust of wind going on over here. Okay, stop. Okay, that was a fail. Let's do this one more time. Whoa! That's a cool light reaction. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.